Hi there, Ruby. It's Granny. I have another book to read to you today. This is Old Dog Baby Baby by Julie Fogliano, and the art is by Chris Rashka. And I think you'll like this one because you're baby baby and you have two old dogs. See baby baby and see the old dog. Old dog, lazy, lazy, lying in the kitchen floor. Old dog tail and old dog nose. One eye open, two eyes closed. Old dog dreams, old dog twitches, old paw scratches, old ear itches. Old dog grumbles, snoring, sleeping on the kitchen floor. Here comes baby baby, crawling through the kitchen door. Baby fingers, baby toes, puppy, puppy, baby goes. Baby hurry, baby wiggle, puppy, puppy, baby giggle. Here comes baby baby, crawling across the kitchen floor. Old dog stretchy blinky, waking on the kitchen floor. Old dog sniffle with old dog nose, baby finger, baby toes. Old dog tongue, old dog floppy, old dog kisses, old dog sloppy. Old tail happy, waggy, thumping on the kitchen floor. Old dog baby baby, playing on the kitchen floor. Baby poke, baby squeeze, old dog paws, and old dog knees. Baby peeks, baby spies, in old dog ears and old dog eyes. Old dog baby baby, rolling on the kitchen floor. Old dog baby baby, lying in the kitchen floor. I almost missed a page here. Baby yawn, baby rest, baby head on old dog chest. Old dog yawn, old dog rest, old dog head on baby chest. Old dog baby baby, dreaming on the kitchen floor. That's it, baby baby.